Looking for a modern home that blends luxury, comfort, and prime location? Today, we're touring a beautifully designed modern house and lot, just minutes away from Clark. This home sits on a 165 square meter lot and offers a spacious 220 square meter floor area. You'll immediately notice the clean modern lines, the strong geometric accents that gives contemporary look. To your right, you have a two-car garage, ideal for easy parking and extra storage there. Moving inside, we're welcomed by a bright and open living area, seamlessly connected to the dining space and the modern kitchen, perfect for hosting guests or enjoying family time. You also have a laundry area tucked efficiently into the layout. Now let's move to the ground floor bedroom, ideal for guests, seniors, or a home office. It's bright, spacious, and comfortably fits essential furniture. It also has its own toilet and bath with modern fixtures, giving extra convenience and privacy. There's also a powder room, convenient for visitors. As we enter the master's bedroom, you'll immediately feel how spacious and relaxing the room is. The natural light, the open layout, and the calm atmosphere make it a perfect retreat after a long day. And right through the sliding door, you have access to the spacious balcony, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee, fresh air, or even quiet sunset moments. Each bedroom also has its own toilet and bath, so everyone gets privacy and convenience. The bathrooms are thoughtfully designed, complete with quality fixtures, good lighting, and a clean modern finish. Both secondary bedrooms upstairs are well-sized and can comfortably fit double beds or be customized into kids' rooms, guest rooms, or even a study area. So that wraps up our tour of this modern and beautifully designed house near Clark. With generous spaces, multiple bedrooms with private baths, and a clean modern aesthetic. So for more information, feel free to contact us and we're more than happy to assist you.